Hello friends, welcome to Abdemi. Today we will consider trigonometry, measurement of angles. Trigonometry is the branch of mathematics which deals mainly with the measurement of angles and the problems relating to the angles. This is the broad area of coverage under trigonometry. Okay, now how angles are measured and what is an angle, that we will try to understand. Say there is a line OA. OA is a line and the line rotates from its initial position with keeping the point O fixed to a position B. Okay. Then we say that an angle or angular distance theta has been traversed by the line OA in reaching OB. Okay. So the line OA has traced an angle theta and it has reached the final position OB. This is called angle. Okay. Now, if the rotation is in anti-clockwise direction, this is anti-clockwise direction, then we call this angle theta a positive angle with respect to the initial position OA. That means the line has moved from its initial position OA to OB, and for that it has rotated in the anti-clockwise direction and the angle traced is theta. And if the line rotates in a clockwise direction like this, it has reached from OA to OB like this, then we call it has travelled a negative angle or it has traced a negative angle. Okay. So these are angles. Now so OA is the initial position, OB is the final position, and O is vertex, you can say, and after tracing an angle theta, the line has reached position OB, and similarly from initial position OA, after tracing an angle negative theta, the line has reached the final position OC. Now the angles can be measured by two methods, by two units. One is degree measure, another is radian measure. You know more or less what is degree and what is radian. Just recapitulation. An angular rotation of a line by plus 360 degree or negative 360 degree, this is negative 360 degree, brings it back in the same position. That means OA is the line and 360 degree rotation brings back the line in the same position. So 360 degree is the angle. If the line rotates by 360 degree, it comes back to its original position. Similarly, and here you see it has traced a positive 360 degree angle because the rotation is in anti-clockwise direction. Similarly, if the angle rotates by negative 360 degree, it comes back to the same position OA again. Therefore, an angular rotation of a line by plus 360 degree or negative 360 degree, this is negative 360 degree, brings it back in the same position. And definitely theta in degree is equal to theta in degree plus 360 degree. That means if this is 10-degree angle, then if you further move by 360 degree, you come back to the same position. That means OA, the line OA, after tracing an angle 10 degree has reached the point B, and again further if it moves by 360 degree, it comes back to B. So this total angle travelled is actually 10 degree plus 360 degree, which is nothing but 10 degree itself. So we can write theta in degree plus 360 degree is theta degree. Similarly, if it rotates theta degree minus 360 degree is theta degree. So for angular addition, we have to take care of this convention. Okay. Now to get further clarity on this matter, see, if you think of a clock, here it is 12, here it is 3, here it is 6, here it is 9-hour mark. Okay, this is the center of the clock. Okay. So the hour hand of the clock moves by an angle minus 360 degree in 12 hours, in every 12 hours. That means now it is 12 o'clock, then say it is 12 o'clock, then hour and minute both will be, hour hand and minute hand both will be pointing towards 12. Now the hour hand will move by negative 360 degree in this direction and reach the same position, that means pointing towards 12 after 12 hours. Okay, and the hour hand of the clock moves negative 180 degree, that means this is the clock, hour hand moves to these positions from 12 position to 6th position in, this is 180 degree, negative 180 degree in 6 hours time, and definitely it reaches, this is 12 hours, this is 3 hours position, this is 6 and this is 9 hour position, and it rotates by 90 degree in 3 hours time, negative 90 degree, because it is in the clockwise direction. I have already told that when the motion or rotation is in anti-clockwise direction, the angle traced is said to be positive angle. This is the convention, and when the angle traced is in the clockwise direction, in anti-clockwise direction positive angle is traced. Okay, and in the clockwise direction, if the rotation takes place, then we say a negative angle is traced. Okay, so these are the basic conventions. Now let us see what you understand by 1 degree of an angle. Okay, the angle traced by a moving line about a point from its initial position to the terminating position in making 1/360th part of the complete revolution of a circle is said to have measure of 1 degree. Once again, the angle traced by a moving line about a point from its initial position to the terminating position in making 1/360th part of the complete revolution of the circle is said to have a measure of 1 degree. That means the point P moves from position A in anti-clockwise direction, it moves to B, then C, D, and comes back to A, and it traces an angle, since it is anti-clockwise rotation, so it traces an angle plus 360 degree, and after tracing an angle the point comes back to its initial position A, and 1/360th part of the complete revolution of the complete angle is called 1 degree angle. Okay, so this is the definition of 1 degree, you can say. So when it moves by 90 degree, it reaches from A to B. When it moves by 180 degree angle, the point moves from A to C. When it moves by 270 degree angle, point P reaches from A to D. And again when it moves by plus 360 degree angle, it comes back to point A. The particle P starts from position A, or point P starts from position A and moves along a circle and comes back to A, and when it reaches or comes back to A, it has traced a total angle of 360 degree, and 1/360th part of that angle is 1 degree of angle. Okay. Now 1/60th part of a degree is called a minute angle, written as 1 minute. So 1 minute of angle is actually 1/60th part of a degree, and 1 second is what? 1/60th part of a minute. Okay, these are all you know basically, and you know one right angle is 90 degree and one straight angle is 180 degree. Say the line A moves and comes back to position B in such a manner that this AOB is a straight line, then this angle is called 180 degree and this 180 degree is called a straight angle. Okay, these are also known to you.